What is our role in society that requires more and more resources? Are we looking for solutions to the new challenges? Do we take an active part in building a better future? Since 1995, Montealto has been providing answers to these questions through the development and consolidation of 3 business lines. Power, focusing on renewable, clean and unlimited energies. Infrastructure, providing character and quality to our buildings. And environment. We understand the only possible way is technological innovation and sustainable development. 3 differentiated business lines with a common goal, offering all-in-one solutions, developing, building and managing project implementation, operation and maintenance, and within our process of continuous improvement, investing in R&D and I. This working method has gained us an average growth of 25% in the last 5 years, with a business turnover of $300 million in 2011 and a project portfolio exceeding $1,900 million. Amongst them, Montealto Energia is developing over 70 projects which together mean a total of 1,440 megawatts distributed throughout the globe. In terms of wind power, we are currently operating 117 megawatts and developing another 196. In the solar thermal power field, we are developing 100 megawatts. In the hydraulic power field, 100 megawatts. In the photovoltaic field, we have implemented 85 megawatts in Spain and 70 megawatts in Italy. As an example of our working methods, you can visit the following project in Montealto Dicastro, a small village in the west of Italy with a 46,000 panel power plant situated on an area of approximately 24 hectares.
A project of this scope poses a great amount of challenge, although there are 3 which are particularly significant. The first one is the short time we have available in order to execute the project. That is, from the 1st of January 2011 to the 31st of March for the execution of the works and until 30th of April for the start of all operations. The second greatest challenge is the state of the land. Before proceeding with our work, 145 3x3 meter archaeological trenches were dug, which resulted in facing over 14,000 linear meters of land in very bad condition, which need a lot of work and effort. The third greatest challenge is that we must carry out the works in the most rainy months of the year. How do you face these challenges? On the one hand, by performing excellent engineering and quality execution work and reducing the costs. On the other hand, by providing answers to any eventual issues that may arise. Following the exchange of contracts, all the departments start working, and Montealto moves all its resources in order to proceed with efficiency, quality, and compliant with delivery times. Then we organize and assemble a working site in order to manage the development of all tasks, as well as apply the necessary safety measures. The second stage for the execution of building works is the preparation of the land. This is the stage that poses the second greatest challenge for us. The state of the land, which was in very bad condition due to the archaeological trenches and the amount of rain falling in the recent months. In order to solve this problem, we had to empty the trenches again, let them dry, and compacted the land in 20 centimeter layers. On the other hand, the analysis of the land revealed a terrain with numerous steeps and valleys. This condition required consideration of all the singularities of the land before proceeding to prepare it, i.e., minimization of shading and conduction of rainwater. This stage is completed by developing perimeter paths, an access network to all areas, and replanting a green hedge to surround the plant. In order to ensure the safety of the area, a light fencing consisting of wooden posts inserted into the ground is carried out. As you can see, the most insignificant details have been given attention in the building of this plant, so that in 25 years' time, at the end of its usable life, the land may stay untouched and even enjoy a better environmental condition. The assembly starts by gathering all the materials together: structures, panels, cabling. Once this has been organized, topographical marking is carried out by means of nailing tags in order to signal the position of the structures that will hold the photovoltaic panels. Posts are then nailed. Lintels are situated on the posts, and on the lintels, the beams that complement the structure are situated. Panels have been fully tested in order to ensure their reliability in the long term, and those selected ensure optimal performance and outstanding technical characteristics. There are 46,000 panels in total, laid out in landscape format on the beams, with the inclination and clearance between rows having been previously studied in order to minimize the loss of power due to shading. This way, up to 5 hours of light can be guaranteed on the 21st of December, which is the date on which the sun shows its acutest inclination. As a final stage, we cable the entire network. In the first place, the cables at the panels are connected to level 1 boxes. Then, the cabling going to level 2 boxes, which are located at the entrance of the inverters, is fed through corrugated pipes underground. These are responsible for converting direct current into alternating current. From here, we go to the 8 power transformer station, where power is transformed to medium voltage. We have also considered all the relevant grounded power points. The medium voltage cable network of the 2 underground rings is closed at the 2 set point stations, which will be the source of seldom underground wiring structures with 20 kilovolts at a distance of over 5 kilometers for a total output of 10.46 peak megawatts in direct current, with the full production being directed to the electrical mains. Once all the installation is ready, a comprehensive quality control procedure is carried out, including the inspection of the equipment and revision of each connection in order to guarantee a problem-free operation of the plant.
Once again, Montealto is proud to have satisfactorily completed a large project, ratifying that in spite of each project being different from the previous one, we can use the same working methods in order to accomplish them all by standing by a business philosophy which ensures an all-in-one quality service. From the analysis of the engineering of the project to the operation and maintenance of the entire project, always following the agreed working plan to the letter, so that all the stages are completed on time and in the best way possible. Once again, we can prove that progress and care for the environment can be and actually are compatible, creating an infrastructure which provides 15,427 megawatts per hour a year of renewable and clean power, equivalent to the power used by 4,715 households, and saving 7,713 tons of CO2 a year. Montealto. New challenges, new solutions.